bw'umugusi.
Mwanchu morigereri wensoko TV oborosibo mugusino botukobonde obuya chinga bune chikana tukumirana nabo igona sense muyende no kuyenda kwari buna kwagenderere buyango kwari gale twanyora maya asenchira yobwekerano echinse isato cyabaro botukoto bwatie wetera asenchira yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook na bwega sense mo area ya YouTube alion sitra chiko sangaso botukubwa boro bura baseki baito baya aliganire nako ene kinanko wekirara asenchira ere yobwekerano botukubwa bono tuchakaso bwamo ere tariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakano botukubwa bono na sentundo ya gatatu asomo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira Nyaribo guchero komwe tubukorusi gwa abisi asogote mwa kwa bwangoiga kukumorusi obisi gwatugo territoire ne bunga ya senator magega yokoba maisomero lebuna ebunga ya county ya Nyamira tiyabwa telichiko eriyo gwaka chikura chokumorusia obisi nigogo tuguterwa are kumuswado yubono gukumorusi obisi kwegoirege serie keyagia siasa yokumusana na asorgongo rwagusi tigatomonyero musekyo ito weekly forenge oyo otuarganira roboti oruo ase obwagari.
Kitu naweza sema ni kwamba kuanzia sasa watu waache mambo ya vitina, waache kuelekezwa na wengine. Kama iko kitu wacha tushuruhishe huko nyumbani, tusikizane, tuelewane, ndio tuweze kuendesha Nyamira mbele.
Asentunde yende orogendo rwa siasa ro mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo igorwa begetwe asege pimo abo asogotema kwa bwangoiga kwarigerete gonchora esabalia ya siasa akomutuguta isiko gochia asege sunte kirino bokendo bonene
is as follows.
Nyaribo oyo asechinga kichininge okorekana ko bomurayi omoitongo utobwati mangana nonde nigo aberega kumnyokanya nemechando ao anene kigima ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira rwasota bisi magayo koira libagalia ye oyo kabero mugaba no motangani we county yo omoske nyagosira John Nyagarama
that this motion of impeachment did not meet the threshold, and the threshold I'm talking about is the 2/3 threshold.
Ulende kubwatikana nabasani barangenere ogotema kumurusia bisi asentundeye nigo kwa bwate agenda gete ebisikanete ekyana nake kirerete okwangoyigwa okurusiwa kwa yabisi ase bunge ye county yo.
And the element of removal of a governor from office, I will say it is sui generis. It is unique on its own, unlike any other motions that are passed at the county assembly, which in most cases will be a third or majority of the third of the members in the county assembly.
Abakwani ba siasa nigo bagote babuna umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati negere teri bageri lya bene na kumwekanga Nyaribo chinga kichiriaga netyo bakonye kyana nake kemugetie birengere lyo buna nigaga netyo kumurangere Nyaribo asoe ase serikali yo bwamo ya broad based.
Ndio tumeona marafiki wa gavana ni akina nani. Mimi mwenyewe kwanza nishukuru wale wote watu wa Nyamira ambao tumeshirikiana nao. Pia nimshukuru gavana mwenzetu gavana Simbarati ambaye tumeshirikiana na yeye.
Bali bako mwako boko nigo babere bagoteba buna Nyaribo ni garengire nense mogete y'abana siasa rekore to kungusanana no mwatanane ko asoro gongorwa gusi anane mono chinga kiga oyo kabero muwaziri w'obolende bweme Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i aorokiriye ganga yaje yo kurwanira kero cyobora ibwensi ya Kenya omwaka wa 2025
na ni muhimu sana kwa sisi watu wa Nyamira na watu wa Kisii tunataka peace ikue ndio maendeleo ifanyike. Alafu pia kwenda mbele tuambia assemblies kama mnafanya impeachment lazima mfuate sheria.
Abamenyi be county ya Nyamira na Barabwo nigo besokia kuri birengero byabo iguru y'ekinchira Senate nyarira ko bagakora emirimo yabo
ekiagero mwakuri okutemire sa kunyara no nyina wa MC aba siasa bako mokorera tiringia ekiagera no Barabwo babwati asechi ward kyabo naboko nyorango bare mambroro Eli tari yale sababu bale kurusili mwaka Nyaribo lakini aba seneta mboro getinga ba kongira siasa
antate ko ireneria seneti itombi yamo na segasi yakorete igoro kubwatiri chiko negento kia mana sense yito na kia machika bekere tuororo na mbaibere aba MC baito tigababwatiri chiko tigabatike kubwati chinda chiabo seneti yakorete mfano muya na ande noro to bwenderete kubwati bunantu abana inchi na ese na aba MC baito baege example ki seneti
wekera bono igani go Nyaribo arodekanire koba omurai ole negasiya kanene kagima na igori bolo linene lirondi linaki na chagendere gotena bokongu na aba MC banyamira ko mwabara okoboko na gwetanga kurwa asichisegi kitabwati merobelio no boroso ngoripoteri ya Soko TV ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge
asense muyende tugotigana nayo egati abamenye kurwe gwari yabo mwagamo ekerenya nyamaiya nigo besokire na kugikirige tambukiro kiebunge ya senator komotigo bisyo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo na komochiabo MCA asogusinya kumanya richiko nigekerekyo babweraneri mbya mora ba MCA baria batinena no mugavana Nyaribo bakorogo no mu MCA obumwagamo omuske Julius Nyakana
Maiga yo mugavana wa Nyamira Amos Nyaribo konyoro mwese asebunge ya Senate gotuguterare kina yo komurusi abisi nigebirengeri ao byaruru ase county ya Nyamira ase wodi ya mwagamo ebunge ya North Mogrango niga bamenyi bago keregetambukiro kyo mu MC obo Moske Julius Nyangana kotena no mugavana Amos Nyaribo aseretenga tarigeteri ukoryo komurusi abisi Moske Nyaribo
Julius Nyangana mono sare nchaka to badume tari Nyamira to ataita motokorire gazi omuntu bagasoa munega abana nende bagukwana mangana maya eginde bakora mwire
kasama skani ko orogeti na kama skani abese kama no yoreti lakini nere wono to gusabana witera asore imwa korete goro makorta mangana maya nere wona akubwatisye egara asotigaretie nkari ase wodi yao egere wa anyare ukubwatisye taraja muna bono kuru magari ntori tari pase bonya weko na Nyambiri ekomba ine kutuare through way
bagendere gukora campaign yo gosokia korosie sabu yo gosokia obwe mugabano ito ine sabu yarenge etabwere tasomo kenyu mugema abasene tombaye mbanyerigereretie ne ka kwende ne government ito engima njarigereti ngamaene esabu ekigwo kwa soka sokia abagabana ito teri sabungia
mutabukie gaci itigarite kipara ebara muno kurukio majingi esio gukirwo maate eyende kurukuru Nyambirize etire goje nyagitari akio majingi
ase wodi ekerenye bunge ya North Mogrango amenyi bakorawa no morai ho UPF Philip Apiri nigo baragire byara BMC banyamira asekiria bakwero gotamanya richiko asabatebirenga na barabumba gwenze ko bakorote tunga nki bakorra se wodi bene
ebi Senate mbuya mono egekogera mwarigerere tiringa nari abete ase county yetu ya Nyamira ukarituguterare because mora abasomi bamachiko mwatebiri abantu banyamira moso the MCS bairane basoma amachiko buya ekero bagokora ande bindo binga bunabiria bararigereria amachiko nanda asayo ndete ko batebe the MCS barimo bwate segi na ndegen mwanye korire ntunde ntangani mwanye korete entunde ya kabere ande mwanye irurire the same thing entunde ya gatatu nariko basaba igabuna the MCS yabamwabe the 19 mochimotiga mangana ayo because nainwa asemo korwa nete murigereri gwe na inki mwakorire mwebange tayari nende mwebikamo asenge 2027 Droji ko sendo chiko bairani ase kitu anyora ngi kitu abacho tumo chiko tokora kya bere ga sia ngo aso ko banyo muske amuski ende tu asa baiga muske amuski mungu ndu alengene ke maana ko rumaiga anga tukia eti konyegera
wa kaunti ya Nyamira. Mimi hata nashangaa nyinyi kama MCAs, mimi najua nyinyi ni wasomi sana. Mnawezaje kuweka speaker wa county assembly ambaye hata hesabu kidogo ya 2/3 inamshinda?
MCA babaito be Nyamira batoiro gosoku Nyamira tindu tinanki moko mwezo sobe mamone so sobe kamuranje wange kinyororo akore gasierengia
asensemo yabagaka korwe bunge ya North Mogrango bakorawa na Evans Achoki tata nigo basabira aba MCA no mugabana gosonsorana
Kuko kukanikuwa nenga nyaliko tigakole gasi nano yo kumuwania tigatigo tigakole gasi babirane onye bwata mamocho gakurigiti n'abantu bakurigiti
itongo mwochochi itongo Nyamira yitu igo bakubunye emugabana ngatari kubachi besa buna bare koegwa chibesa chiri bare koegwa baenda batuma umuntu igo bachi besa nachibono nyari batakorete nyari batari kubanyana nyari bategetogotokorera ntu abange
ase birengererio korwa ase bunge ya West Mogrango
saba MCA baendete ko bainforum asa mangana yoko impichi governor batagendete ko singatia mangana ya development. We are looking for them. Totally 2027, we are against them.
Stephen Nyarike Monde, Soko TV, County ya Nyamira.
Biamono musakyo ito Stephen Nyarike Mbunde kurwase county ya Nyamira soroboti urwase obwekirano asense muyende borosie bitonga nekemo asibiria mwanyagitinge agendere kwerwanira nakyo eri kwenyorera ebitoki ekebageke nigo gegokorwa nambe nke abantu asibinyurime na asibaria bagokora ekebageke nigo bakubwaterira bakubwaterera mono asingincho buna numuchakano bwo kwegendereria asichinka cyabo ase okwenyorera enibo tomonyore musakyo ito Vincent Monda oyo okwariganira roboti orwo ase obwime mono
wani bitonge binabo bikona kondageria amatukonsi inje bono yikasoma jiane ebitonga byane buna abantu bamanyite nande byanjite na ayatwo kobukukuya gabagujansa isinde no baguja banguri
ase kenyoro kia Morenyo ng'enyi kitutu chachanoti kaunti ya Kisii mbarabari ne skuru y'abanyaruka ya ng'enyi nigonkonyana na Solomon Nyamumbo abuga oyo bwateke bagokyo gotinga na korosi bitonga biri abalimi bakwirire cha ase kolengwa gosetundu bali aiga se kyoreri kiae nigokubuga ne chinga atenyire kolende talichiro chyo neke bagoboigo abeire kakokora gwetani myaka 20 bono ekebageke nigagicagete ekiagoteba kirasendele yabo kurwa sisemuke naende na kirochike goso asaba chikurubae
we ekebageke ane kerankora aboria tata moke na rengo oyo monta ikirete na tebeti unga nkorosi arenge ebintebi yekeranko boria na bongora boria na nyoronga tata moko uyo gakarosirie bunankorigeria ebijogoro byane mbiro nabo bigoja nabyo byana ko yebite
neke bagoboigo abange baratebetikiri na bwaita bonde kolenda ero monyene nigakorera maya mange ayu arorire gwetera borosi bitonga no akorusi bitoki ebyakwagendereria ero monyene amona bachukuru bae
obuya borese borosi bitonge bineke bite tori kogora igo kogenda orosana makwari yebite ne ebite byoko na gotu abo igasara te yobone sibitonge ebyo obo ngoro asindo bwaita egatonga igabire jisa isibere ekena rosirie kegeke yongo 200 ekeke nene na 300 na nege saisiro kirikie bijuju kirike kolende bijuju na kerokyo na 350 gekogera kerokyo gekomigana na bongo nyore bese yane kera morogo bisukari ngonyorande
bunere naro yakende yonse gokora goika getware bitango nere nari nebikomurichane tawe kokore gasi ya boronge gati yabo chinsora gokorere gasi nigo chibwata magwa kobeta amone binde binge
ebitango ngonyora igaiga bunande gajwa kali ekere mbure tuete aro tindi konyara korosi gekogera tinye timbwatie senkorosi rie nyumba
niga bwatomokyo monene bwokorigia biria korosi bitonga biae
ebite biro bina bongo genduru sana na bongo ira litukeri mo gukubirigia ekena na biretire ebi byagende bitonga umutu oyomo ogenda nge bitonga sita usesaba ibinde ga jimange jigweta munanda manga iguraje samagena ime no ngurushi jimanga mabweta utatiye kira basambire manga lyo kana ningo jana nyorobo komwake biyai lakini mange tarasambwa ebitero obire
niga gusaba chinsemo che serikali enke nabo igerie nene chire chikorigeria mangana yegekoro babe bakobayinyora nabo igokobasira sekebogo buneke wetera buna ekebogo kiaye neke masibire bikonyoria abante gekoro yito
nabo tugusaba obokonyi kuri serikali mbari kutaka kototegera nono kototegera tima yedi ninki amangana anaranya rorire sana ebijana byaegwe gasi byaegwe kibese byakonyo abangina bakonyo abagaka bali bagotire mono bakonyo lakini ntu abatuli gadigati ntu ana kuligiririku no kuligiririrwa bono tuli bantu bono linde nabongo nakugenda linje bieka yobuna nyasaa ngete nyasaa ngusaba ongeria mambia bwakya
nobo nabwo abasemye bwaye anene mono karinge to mwana musaye
abana buna aba balero nabo kubatebinga kolega siyoko boko injuamba bunduse abandi bakoranga enegasi bosa togokora lakini enegasi ebwate jibese na enegasi yawo yoko boko yebwate jibese barabumba tageti egasi yabo no kunywa maru no na gwaka jinkandamba na kuna gutari jinsana ima igo bintebi mbatageti igo batageti byoko boko gotambe bitaba irande inkege ndukyo ngara batebi nye barabaya tikababu ate juwa kali eyo magoko yeko gera abantu rero babukiye tenga likare tu arenga abantu abake rero abantu nabange kiri umuntu atagite ndagera babu ate gasi yabo ya magoko baragere
kebago kende yonse gokora nakyo kira gokonya samakiaya kurende goko gekora netakeirube komukia nabo igogia nche na liora sebuya Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Asense muyende ritukeri morioka magiga yomo board member bwe zone ya 10 Vincent Atei Komocha uyo kurigekero gokyoba Senate county ya Nyamira Jeremiah Migosi asekeringa ebitanga abegete chiase chi factory chechae ime county ya Nyamira nigo chera niryo boremi magiga nigo Migosi aisokire na kuiraniria Migosi ga kuiraniria gweterase enchira yesi miniga tebirenga ekina abegete gyo kurusia aba director bechae abakurumi na kyo kyagarire akurwanirwa na gotabanga tari guchia ko irana magega
terisiruma igonya gweta round na mari aho ni bichwe abantu babekire mu obari mu kwagia nchore yes kwa oni angia nchore totene nemete yabo baoni obari mu bwa joint which factory 6 kanya twanyori ro muguri orego tokuri agorera niba kebi nebi ekaro siasa ya chaka it was a very senior government officer agateba gane mora sort out nakike muroje to ndata sort out naki naende inu mwache mugatoma Migosi acha goteba na migondo nto oni lakini gote rere ne factory ya gata tinda nyora mulimi agateba na tumete Migosi iko Migosi ne akorta ye tumete
mareta nengoro kutera mamigos byokoliyo wa Senator Nyamira County ati asoka tebya bandekene ati gonyo kwebizereta ya Migosi osandonsi mbaro bo bagosali ebintu byabarimi inkwane lingana lindengam afike factory kinyinge ki director nkone bale no niche club tigali bakoni batari ko ino for gwabalimi ebine bintu byabalimi egen tutagetengeringa kabra baoni kende gyonsi tigababe kabalimi babeke binde byaso bwasyoku abalimi bamanyone niki besa baoni niki besa kyabo tari bakwana baoni ebintu byabalimi batari ko batebi batari ko uniform and batari ko babeka andonsi bamanyu na ndentebe after to abwatire kese ko store wani lete giyo mwakomogyo nkwaro ja serikali ya uniform after nali kama rubayo aba mpimba tete bagaetana na county Chonsi bakamiti abaremi kukwanira mangana yo baremi mwaro je CS igorona nge parliament over the same 90 kapra yo kartobe te kes kotini ko sina suit ba ke serikali APS we ko monyene na ligete irube okotebya ba director bande bonso bara tebo director we factory ba ko banainde chi director inata companies chiyo kole biashara na KTDA ande kana kyanyore kyage tia singenja bono na buba gusali ebintu KTDA na ende bara ba director as chi factory ne chi factory chionsi osiende chionsi echiwade interest ejita wenereti asinge ntumba leo kwenda ko cheki abande na abande baligerelio kiri bono ebakubwatera na kusali ebintu byabantu ye ntunta de to abantu baito bonsi abari baito mbiringa ki ese evento ajagete nturi koirana maga tubwate bakomwerio ekere gocho goikanga abantu bande bakuwe bonus onye 50 shillings etuteta abantu baito bonse bawe bonus erengene 50 shillings tali emekoro babanda batokorera n'abande bairu 57 abande bairu 10 shillings bamanza tengane quality yarenge benga gose chiro necha yonse twone tia samo eyo konyoranga ateine role mutuko tetea egento kitari kyobone esingenje gero ko ni cha samo usito kutumeke dere yem oje boiko bale konyora 10 shillings tubete konyora 10 shillings igonga na singenje bago seri bintu byabari na kibintu bire na nina kinate nile bakongo tebya bari mubeito ngaki ntori go chuwancherana asense muyende mwanchu murigereria munyekero gobwe chibasari asense muye bunge ya West Mugrango Henry Kimori nigateberenga aborokiwa barachigu ichore chifoma chobori muche chibasari nigo barachikwirirwa egetambukero ekenene kierichiko umuroberi bokwena na chifom che chibasari che ase ense muye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo ngete gorobotuko asaborokiwa be grade kerigia kyanda ase class kerigia form 3 amone university baraichore chifomu icho wetera umutanda obwekerero na guchira ase obisi yomogambi
Elio, igonte teko manyinga ekero ntobwate contacts tie sukuru chonspi na mbeyemo igekero mukubeka ekero mwana kubeke stamp ere yo bolimo nomba ligo tuwa tole contact na bali mu sukuru jiri to manyanga kwelio mwana yo no sukuru eri ostari ko sukuru eri na mba ibere ali stoko enda se chief centers aba gambeli babo certify ali ntobwate umukaranyo ito uwikaransaroro ntobwate getabu ekero kunga accountable accountable area unokolete elikwende yao form yao ibo akoye receive onye ligereria onye access na endo record ya segetawo so yatokonya ekero mwana ata apply ya form nekere form irakanga nerembe nabo to mekura sibitawo bietonga oyo na apply tekene go star bright igone to tebanga to base koleta form obisia onyo korunya maya word sikora le to obisia o make sure nga ya will recorded into the counter book ide rero jiko tokonya ku assessinga abana baitu ba braille mbalenga na ne balenga bale chini ni aso wa braille ali bo mochibo ali alia no to tonya order form ali iko to jiko data jiko fake na bali ba goda te muri order fake ne report card report card ya uro nya rete fake nko check to na boto korora na boto korora reference to the school to abolinge kene umwana oyo ngati performance ya yere na mbende ya kabere ndatewe nkelinga chipasali cheito kuna tokoa ipasali ntangani ipasali kubwati ya kabere ngoboli tura abana baitu bakoro mukia se school egiredi kia okagenda igoro ekero igiredi ya wekira na anse yake igia ko ba difficult ko konye pasali gotokota abanya abane pasali bali hard working in school igia toko ba endi college abana abo kero ba irwe pasali na ende bakoro mukia manene ase school chifomu ichigaro wa chichoirie na batoko abolinga kroyomo anyira ase a chiefs camp yaye toira ase a chiefs camp ngao eyo neto konye komanya abana ko se ward eyo yeru solution yaye igoso kuira ngao igera le to muchano na mbaibere na bote ko manyinga ekere form yaye tali complete etabwati enough documents na bera nyarekane umisi pasali na kitoko abolinga to ichoria form oyetigere njera to beka documentation kebande kiyo meboli certificate yao death certificate chief stamp
gotigana nayo omokonyi bomurai gwense Professor Kithure Kindiki ritukoli arera nigara omoyega gwokubekirwa kigutwa asaborokiwa ba KMTC asegetigia Kasarani asomucho Nairobi asenkwana yaye nigaerero murubere we serikali gukini birengo byobochenu gwetera okolika abakoli emirimo bobochenu eriogo ikirania obokoreri ao ase ebinyoro
Nasomega boko bekerwa abarokirwa ba KMTC egutwa oyo ikiranirwa no mukonyi bomurai bwense Kithure Kindiki kagokwa nasegetige chigosori gya Kasarani nigaena ke chinsa gichinye 13 cha KMTC me ya Kenya nigo chirache kwegwa chibesa na serikali erigwikiranio bokoreri bwabo
campuses za KMTC ambazo zimejengwa zingine na county government zingine kupitia wabunge wetu na national government CDF Constituency Development Fund na mnahitaji pesa kama KMTC kuweka vifaa ili hizo campuses zianze kufanya kazi, na ni campus zaidi ya 18. Vile nataka niwaambie kwamba serikali itatoa pesa ya kuhakikisha kwamba all the 18 campuses are made operational in the next financial year so that we can have quality service and quality training for people.
Chinga kie cheboigo nigakwanira gotasiro kwa boroki kwa KMTC asene ke gukwanira ababwatani ao ikigucha ire ko ene ke bunango siro bare gwetera help.
Mimi nimeambiwa ya kwamba wanafunzi wa KMTC hawapati msaada wa help. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Mimi nimesikia hivyo, PS amenijulisha, na mimi nataka niwatangazie ya kwamba serikali imesikia hilo ombi, na mimi naenda sasa kusanya wale ambao wanahusika, waziri wa hazina ya taifa, waziri wa afya, waziri wa elimu. Wiki ijayo naenda kukutana nao ili tuwapatie jibu, kwa sababu mimi najua ya kwamba na nimesawishika ya kwamba wanafunzi wa KMTC lazima tuanze kuwa support kupitia help.
Asekerenga kyo gukinie birengo bya bochenu ni gaerero mu rubero rwa serikali bwo kurika ababwatani bwa bochenu erigwe ikiranio bokoreri ao asebinyoru.
We have been particularly focused on the transformation of Kenya's health sector. As you are aware, this is the first administration to employ, equip and deploy a grassroots primary healthcare workforce, 1,007 community health promoters spread in every village in Kenya to support families at household level to access essential healthcare.
Asense moyende ni gwabori abasayense ngima kwene kyo abomo erego sukiense bosio.
KMTC hoye! KMTC hoye! Mimi nawaomba vijana wetu tuendelee sana sisi ambao tumepata taaluma. Tupende nchi yetu, tupende taaluma yetu, we behave like professionals. Na mimi nataka kuwauliza vile tutajenga taifa tukiwa pamoja. Changamoto ambazo tuko nazo kama taifa tutaendelea polepole kuzishughulikia. Ili hali jambo la muhimu ni kuweka uzalendo, kupenda nchi yetu, na hata wakati kuna tofauti za kimawazo tunazungumza kama taifa, tunaelewana, tunasikizana ili tuweke amani na tuweke udhabiti wa nchi yetu.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.
Ase umuroberio bwogosira abakenya ensemo y'ebunge ya Tigania West mukonyi b'omurayi wense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigaruru kuboria gwogokora siasa y'omurembe erio koreta obwamateno bomo bwogusikia ensemo twe na gutigara siasa ekoreta na gusegeta kiburaburu. Ase nkwani yaye omubunge bw'ensemo ya Tigania East Lawrence Abori nigamukira omurayi bw'ekyama kya DCP Rigathi Gachagua asoko gendereria siasa y'okurama n'obugesaku.
Mimi nataka kuanza kwa kusema ya kwamba kuanzia sasa hatutakubali siasa ya ujinga, siasa ya vurugu, siasa ya fitina, kuchoma mali. Sisi tunatafuta mali, tunasaidia wananchi kutafuta mali, na hiyo mali ni ya kutusaidia, sio ya kuharibiwa na moto na vurugu na fitina ati kwa sababu ya siasa. Hii mambo imeanza juzi, miaka 2 ambayo imepita hapa. Na mwenye alikuwa na hiyo fitina amefukuzwa serikalini. Ametoka. Sasa anapiga hiyo kelele akiwa nje. Mimi nataka niwashukuru wananchi wa Tigania, wananchi wa Meru na wananchi wa kaunti hizi nyingi zetu hapa. Mimi sijaona hiyo wakati kulikuwa na matatizo. You remained patient and you remained peaceful. Na wapongeza wazee, akina mama na vijana.
Manto Irume Gachagua, nikueleze waza mambo matusi. Mimi mambo ya kutusi wa Meru, wakati wa Meru wako na baraka kutoka kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, tumekataa. Njusi umeongea nonsense Gachagua pale Nairobi, ukaongea na Kikuyu ya kwamba viti zote za Nairobi zote ni za Wakikuyu, tukijua ya kwamba sisi wa Meru tuko na mali Nairobi, sisi wa Meru tuko na manyumba Nairobi, na sisi wa Meru ni matajiri Nairobi. Eti ya kwamba kijana wetu Karaure ambaye yuko kule ambaye yuko kule Kasarani aende nyumbani asipate kiti. Eti ya kwamba kijana wetu kutoka Mudhara ambaye ni MCA Nairobi aende nyumbani. Eti ya kwamba kijana wetu yule ako kule Embakasi aende nyumbani.
Arena y'umurigereria umubunge w'ensemo ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro igesokire na kugikira gitambukiro gia serikali cyo gucekoni cishya cyae cye company ya Safaricom asatebire ekyo nigo kigucekwirera serikali gucekonyora hasara enene asaerero buna eshayemo nigo igucekoniwa shilingi 35 asebono eshayemo ere shilingi 45.
I am a proponent of government divestitures in terms of the government doing as least business as possible. But I don't think there is a Kenyan who can support an underselling of a government asset. Safaricom PLC is the most prized asset that Kenya has. There is no other company that GOK has a stake that is as consequential as Safaricom PLC. Based on its worth, its market cap, and of course its stature in the economy. The bigger concern that I have, and we must have as Kenyans, is the fact that the government of Kenya is proposing to sell Safaricom PLC, the 15% stake, at 34 shillings. Kenyans need to know that Safaricom shares were trading at an average of 45 shillings in 2021. Valuing Safaricom PLC at 1.8 trillion Kenya shillings in 2021. And of course that is before Safaricom even invested in Ethiopia, an investment that is actually becoming a very good decision for Safaricom. And what I just want to say is that the people who are on the other side of the table in this negotiation of the sale, and especially the people from the National Treasury, they are either self-interested, incompetent, or both. Because there is no way you can sell a stake of a company as a block with no premium. The biggest concern that we must have as Kenyans is the valuation at which the government is proposing to exit 15% stake in Safaricom. Because they want to sell per share at 34 shillings. And if you look at the recent past, including last week, Safaricom share touched even 30, past 30 last week. But in the last 5 years, and especially in 2021, Safaricom share was above 45 shillings in August of 2021. And when you are valuing on how to buy or sell a company, you as the seller must get the best deal in terms of the price. But it looks like the people who are representing the people of Kenya in government, in this discussion and sale, they actually sided with the buyers. And they decided to sell Safaricom for us.
Arena yo company yo korosi chinguru chumulero ya Kengen niko yararire gucegwa kana babwatani baye faida enene aso mwakoyo okorarioko niwo gwakorwa sege karo gya kiro mwaka ekiboga okere egie tunda ya 53 ase omuchoyo iga o Nairobi.
Today, Kenya's electricity demand has reached the highest level in our nation's history of 2,418.77 megawatts recorded on November 18, 2025, reflecting a rapidly expanding industrial base, the growth of digital infrastructure, and a vibrant, forward-looking economy. In this environment, Kenya's leadership has never been more critical. We stand at a defining moment in our nation's history journey. Kenya is committed to playing a leading role in realizing the national ambition to add 10,000 megawatts of new capacity to the grid, as championed by His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. This is a bold step towards modern, industrialized Kenya, a Kenya that takes its rightful place among the world's leading economies.
Our shareholders' endorsement is grounded in strong results. Kenyan delivered a 54% increase in profit after tax, rising to 10.48 billion Kenya shillings. Powered by disciplined cost reductions, rapid growth in diversification measures, revenues and a strengthened foreign exchange position. This is KenGen's strongest earning growth since the geothermal expansion cycle of the mid-2010s. But the broader story is even more significant. Kenya's electricity consumption reached the highest peak in our nation's history, 2,418.77 megawatts in November, a signal of accelerated industrialization, expanding digital infrastructure, and rising economic momentum.
Sees a very great, we see very great potential, more so because of the interim measures that we are putting in place as an industry. Between KenGen and KPLC, who is the off-taker, there is a critical player who is KETRACO, the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, of which key transmission lines that are going to be completed are going to now increase the sales from 8.4 gigawatt hours onwards to 9, heading to 10 in the medium term.
Arena yomo nchumurieli yomo Senate we county ya Bungoma David Wafula Wakori niga bekiru mswada sebunga ya Senate ora chikorigereria ayo gusira oborimi bwekemerigie kahawa aso mswada uyo niga monchirori ao ora chikokorekana eri kwenekiana oborimi bwekemerigie kahawa nkonyora usabari mibekemerigie kahawa konyora barengeri no bokoreri oboronge na boigo asinchira ere yobwekerano tengo turarigeria ayagendera kuru asebungeria Senate aserituko lya rero.
I beg to move that the Senate adopts the report on the Mediation Committee on the Coffee Bill, Senate Bill number 10 of 2023, laid on the table of the Senate on Thursday, 4th December 2025, and that pursuant to Article 1132 of the Constitution and Standing Order 1673 of the Senate approves the mediated version of the bill. Honorable Speaker, I want to appreciate the members of the Agriculture Committee of the Senate that I led up to late yesterday on the tedious and commitment they showed to ensure that this bill goes through, Honorable Speaker. I want to appreciate members of the National Assembly, led by their chair, for burning the midnight oil to ensure that we come to a consensus on this bill, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this bill had various contentious issues that made us go back to the drawing boards, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we had an issue of DSS, direct sales, Honorable Speaker, where the matter was in court, Honorable Speaker, and the court directed that the matter be shelved up to next year, where national government will do proper public participation to ensure that the farmers and the estate owners are given an opportunity to contribute and allow the government to use any bank to channel funds to farmers. Honorable Speaker, another element that is in this bill is the Research Institute, Honorable Speaker. The threshold for the management of the institute has been raised, Honorable Speaker, because the country is setting the pace in the research of coffee in this country. And if Kenya has to cut an edge above our competitors in East Africa and the world, it means that the management and the CEO of the institute must be qualified enough with experience to steer this institute, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the board as well of the Coffee Institute, Honorable Speaker, is equally mandated to oversee the management of the institute, and therefore we have various research centers across the country. This bill, given life by the approval of the President, will ensure that the farmers of this country get affordable seed, quality seed, extension services, and the county governments are able to do their bit to ensure that the coffee of this country is the best that we can ever give.
Kurwa sebungeria Senate weka sebungenene ababunga ubachor wetera asobochorio bokebwaera magega yogotienwe go service asebungenene ni golero barwa enkwana yabo entangani bosibwe bungenene ababunga abo ngamona David Adman Ndakwa wesemo yebunge ya Malava Lee wa Mdende Njeru wesemo yebunge ya Mbeere North na boigo Moses Okoth Omondi kurwa sensemo yebunge ya Ugunja.
Honorable members, I stand here not merely as an individual, but as a voice for the aspiration and struggles that we go through and hopes of the people of Malava constituency who have elected me. My constituency faces challenges that require urgent and collective actions. Among them is poor facility in education, impassable roads, struggling agriculture, especially in the sugar sector, lack of electricity, and poor health facilities, lack of piped water, unemployment among the youth, an empowered, vulnerable group of women and people living with disabilities, among others.
To the people of Mbeere North, I thank you. I'm deeply honored. And I say, I made pledges, I made promises. I will stay focused in leading you to achieving the goals we set together, one being the bursaries, which are as we agreed, will be equitably distributed, the free day secondary school, fighting for our roads, as I did this morning when I visited the Director General for KERA, and legislation. As you can see, I'm here today, ready to serve you, and oversight even the national government CDF.
Mr. Speaker, in Ugunja, we are already witnessing tangible progress. I must mention to this House that the President recently, a few months ago, was in Ugunja and launched a mega water project that is serving the two constituencies. The project is known as Ukwala Sega Water and Sanitation Project, which has really brought a lot of changes because, as you are aware, water is really a basic utility or commodity. Mr. Speaker, as I stand here today, there are quite a number of projects that have been earmarked by the national government for implementation. There is the currently ongoing construction of a modern market in Sidindi Market. We also have a road known as Sidindi, Sigomre, Masiro, which has equally been earmarked for tarmacking, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, as the member of Parliament for Ugunja, I have no reservation whatsoever to support this government, known as the broad-based government.
Mwanchu moriria mbia mona sogo chora ensoko tibyo borusibo mugusina gwikira buno to gwikira omwerio wa maya chinse se to gwikira area nkori tukore juma guchakira chinse 12 cheki mamiro chikomerana amuna Innocent Onyango amuna Diana Ndemo imiyo muroberi obwe ensoko bwa kire bako guchakiria rituko asibaritwa bwatrana barabwe rikone kina mariogi ne chibicha gwikira rasinchira ere ya Vene ngamona Brian Chaka Felista Kaberi amuna Kemto nakuganiri botukobuya ere tariane Ishmael Mogere.